Welcome to Bench Talk. I'm Lou Laurent. In this session, we continue our MacBook disassembly by taking a look at the components in the bottom case. The first component to come out is the airport card. There are two screws that connect this card to the rest of the unit. The right-hand screw has a thicker head, the left-hand screw a thinner head. The main antenna is the black cable, and the auxiliary antenna is the gray cable. In addition, there is an EMI shield for the left speaker cable attached to the right-hand screw. The next module to come out is the MagSafe connector. You may find it necessary to wiggle the module to get it free. The next module is the left speaker. One screw holds the speaker in place. With the screw out, use your black stick to gently pry the speaker loose. To detach the speaker cable from the main logic board, gently pull up. The next component is the battery connector with sleep switch. Two screws hold the battery connector in place. These two screws have shoulders on them. Gently pull up to detach the module cable. The next component is the hard drive connector. Before removing the hard drive connector cable, you need to remove the optical drive flex cable and also the LVDS cable. Once these other two cables are disconnected and out of the way, you can go ahead and disconnect the hard drive connector cable. Gently detach the cable from along the optical drive and then unscrew the hard drive connector from the case. Once you have unscrewed the hard drive connector, you need to very gently lift it away from the case. There is a cable which has to be detached before you remove it. The next component to take out